Eating fresh strawberries every day has proven health benefits. In this article, we will discuss the benefits of eating fresh strawberries every day and the different ways that you can eat them. Strawberries are a great source of vitamin C and fiber. They also contain folate, which is important for pregnant women to consume. Strawberries also contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is why they are often used in smoothies as a healthy addition to your morning routine. The article will conclude by discussing how you can incorporate more strawberries into your diet with recipes and tips on storing them so they don't go bad too quickly. Why are strawberries such a healthy food? Strawberries are not only delicious, but also a healthy food. Strawberries are a great source of vitamin C, manganese, and potassium. They are also low in calories and fat. The high vitamin C content in strawberries helps to boost immune system and reduce the risk for diseases like cancer and heart disease. Strawberries are also rich in manganese, which is an essential mineral for bone growth, pregnancy, and blood sugar regulation. Lastly, strawberries contain potassium, which is essential for controlling blood pressure levels. The 5 biggest health benefits of eating fresh strawberries daily. Strawberries are a rich source of antioxidants, which are important for a healthy immune system. Strawberries also contain vitamin C, which is important for healthy gums and teeth. The 5 biggest health benefits of eating fresh strawberries daily. A rich source of antioxidants. Vitamin C is important for healthy gums and teeth. Helps to maintain a healthy immune system. Contains folate, which helps to protect against heart disease and cancer. Can help to lower blood pressure. How to pick the freshest strawberries in the store. A lot of people are wondering how to pick the freshest strawberries in the store. If you want to make sure that you are getting the best quality, then you should know what to look for. One of the things that you can do is smell them. You should be able to smell a sweet, fresh strawberry aroma if they are fresh. If they have no smell at all or a bad odor, then it means that they are not fresh. Another thing that you can do is look at the color on the outside of them and compare it to other strawberries in the same container. The more vibrant color they have on their skin, then it means that they are fresher than those with a duller coloration. An old-fashioned way to process berries at home. The old-fashioned way to process berries at home is to use a colander and a bowl. First, place the colander on top of the bowl and fill it with berries. Then, pour them out into the colander. When you are done, rinse them in the bowl with cold water before placing them in the fridge or freezer.